everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to cook stir-fried chilies with minced pork. Of course, our main ingredients here are chilies, minced pork, minced ginger, garlic, cut chilies into slantways, just like this. In a wok, add oil. We're going to saute our ginger and garlic. Add our minced pork. Add a teaspoon of light soy sauce, teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and teaspoon of oyster sauce. Just stir it. Add a teaspoon of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt. Add our sliced chilies. I add some wang shui or cumin powder, half teaspoon of this. Stir for a minute. Done and serve. I hope you guys like our recipe for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you. Bye.